Chowgule's Lavgan Yard is an advanced synchro-lift facility for the dry docking and refit of commercial and defense ships and drilling rigs, as well as the fabrication and loadout of offshore structures. Our ultra-modern yard is in close proximity to Bombay High, providing unparalleled logistical advantage. Our 260-meter-long service quayside provides for wet berth repairs of ships and rigs. However, we also lift ships and barges out of the water to carry out the full range of survey, maintenance and repair work. Stern gear, rudders, tail shafts and propellers, machinery overhaul, mechanical and electrical outfitting, steel repairs and piping, and blasting and painting. The vessel or barge of up to 140 meters in length is maneuvered along the approach channel and aligned with the center line of the synchro lift. The vessel is pulled into the synchro lift channel using shore capstans. The trestle block array has already been accurately placed onto the 116-meter long by 26-meter wide synchro lift platform and lowered into the water. Once the vessel or barge is in the desired location, it is lifted out of the water by 20 powerful hoisting winches. As the platform is lifted, the trestles make contact with the vessel's hull. Once the vessel is out of the water, the transfer trolleys on rails are mobilized using hydraulic power packs and placed underneath the trestle array. The trolley system uses advanced load leveling technology to achieve uniform lift. Once the trolleys are safely positioned, the hydraulic pistons are actuated and the combined load of the vessel and trestles is taken up by the trolleys. After the vessel is raised to achieve the required clearance, the trolleys transfer it along fixed rails to the desired intersection point for one of the Lavgan Yard's 6 dry berths. The wheels of the trolleys are easily rotated. This enables transfer of the vessel in both directions, lengthwise and lateral. Upon reaching the chosen location, the trolley pistons are retracted and the vessel is lowered onto the dry berth, where most of the repairs and maintenance activities are carried out. We are strategically and competitively positioned to undertake the engineering, procurement and construction of offshore, fixed and floating structures. Our primary facility at Lavgan Yard is spread over 124,000 square meters, with a fabrication capacity of 12,000 tons per annum. Using our industry-leading synchro lift and transfer system, we provide safe methods for in-haul and load-out of large structures. The legs of the jackets are aligned on the erection grillage and welded together. Similarly, all other components such as cross bracings and pile clusters are welded to form the base of the jacket. Meanwhile, the primary and secondary structures of the deck are welded at the fabrication bay. After the successful testing of the welds, the decks are painted. Handrails and equipment modules such as compressor and boiler, along with their foundations, are welded and fitted onto the deck. The topside sub-assemblies are transported to the topside assembly and erection bay. This parallel production line provides immense operational advantage. The other faces of the jacket are erected. Using mobile cranes, the faces are upended and held in position. The other supporting bracings are then welded onto this primary jacket frame. The structures are transported across the yard using the 10,000-ton trolley transfer system, using advanced load leveling technology to achieve uniform lift. The jacket and its topside are ready for loadout and transportation to their installation location. Although the Chowgale Group's primary facility for the fabrication of shallow and deep water structures is at the Lavgan yard, we are complemented by 3 sister yards in Goa to the south, namely Gade Gali, a high-tech facility for steel cutting and pipe bending; Rasayan, for modification of offshore structures; and Lutuli, for module fabrication. Located on the banks of the Zuari River, these smaller structures and sub-assemblies of larger offshore structures can easily be loaded onto the barges and quickly transported from Goa up the coastal route to Lavgan for further assembly. Chowgale Lavgan Yard, a cutting-edge facility located in sheltered waters on the west coast of India. The geostrategic advantage of our ultra-modern yard places us as a first-choice provider for the timely delivery of cost-effective, quality solutions. Our client's business is our business, done safely.